KBG Welding, here we go. So we got this material pickup. One of the most underrated things when it comes to bidding and just purchasing, if you're a buyer, consumer of product, and you're hiring a contractor, just in general, time picking up material. It counts in the day. It counts in the job. We have to add that because it's going against the time that we're going to be involved in this project. So we go as steel welding contractor. What we do is we go and we have to order this material the way it is. Sometimes you're there an hour, sometimes you're there 2.5 hours. Nowadays with COVID, you got things that are going to be holding you up even more, different restrictions, ordering by phone, whatnot. But I just want to, for the consumer, consider that when you receive your quote and the time that goes into it. For the welder, contractor, independent person that's starting out that needs that information, hey, add that in your quotes because it's definitely a cost that you're going to have to accrue. You're going to be there. You're going to hate that you're there, especially if it's going against the time that you're getting paid and you're accounting for that. If you have a larger company where you have guys going to get it, just know that, hey, it's going to be a minute before they get back. So just wanted to give this tip. Thanks for checking out, liking, sharing, subscribing to YouTube, KBG Welding, Austin.